My name's Mark O'Keefe. Everyone in the office calls me Marco. I'm a senior developer here at Digistorm. I've got two young kids at home, Ayla who's 3 and Rory who's 4 months old, and they're keeping me very busy at the moment. Found my love for programming. I love the way that you can just create something from nothing, and a job came up on Seek for Digistorm and I read the ad and it just spoke to me. Everything about it, just thought, wow, this is what I want to be doing. The term full stack, that means that we're looking after developing new products to managing hosting infrastructure, keeping all the websites and apps online. Yeah, every day is different in this role. A lot of days you can come into work thinking, right, I'm going to take a serious chunk out of that project work, some bugs roll in or a server goes down, and it can take out your whole day. A career highlight of mine is being involved in fully automating our app deployment process. So now, with over 300 apps, we pretty much just click a button and after a little while it's deployed to both app stores, saving us a huge amount of time. Recently, a few of us in the office got together and did our take on My Kitchen Rules. So every Friday we took it in turns to cook for the other guys, and I went first. I'm pretty sure I won. Nobody's told me yet. I've got a foolproof dough recipe. I just chuck it in the machine that I've got at home and then leave it in the fridge overnight, and it makes the best pizza dough. Cook it on the barbecue, on a pizza stone, and you can't fail. It's awesome. My favourite part about working at Digistorm is the amazing people and the culture that we have. It's a really open and honest culture. I think it's a really cool group of people that we've got.
Action or comedy?
Oh, comedy.
Books or movies?
Movies.
Adventure or relax?
Relax at the moment.
Star Wars or Lord of the Rings?
Star Wars.
Dining or takeaway?
Ooh. No, I like cooking, dining.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Read minds or teleport?
Oh, I think teleport.
Morning or night?
I'm forced to do morning at the moment. I have no choice.
Ocean or mountain?
Ocean.
That's it.
Woo!